Top 5 Best Can-Am X3 Exhaust. Super ATV Heavy Duty Plus 4. Long Travel Conversion Kit for Can-Am Maverick 64 inches X3 900, Turbo, XDS, C Fitment, Black, Complete Kit in just $2,999.95. Introducing the Super ATV Heavy Duty Plus 4, Long Travel Conversion Kit for Can-Am Maverick 64 inches X3 900, Turbo, XDS, C Fitment, Black, Complete Kit for only $2,999.95. This kit fits select Can-Am Maverick 64 inches models and has a 100% fitment guarantee. It will convert your 64 inches wide Maverick X3 to 72 inches while fitting up to a 32 inches tire. With 8 inches of total width and 13 inches of ground clearance, you'll get pre-adjusted arms and radius arms for perfect camber, tie rods, trailing arms, sway bar links, radius arms, and 4 Rhino 2.0 axles with a 18-month warranty. Agency Power Cold Air Intake Kit Can-Am Maverick X3 Turbo in just $306.08. 2 dyno proven horsepower and torque gains. Introducing the Agency Power Cold Air Intake Kit for the Can-Am Maverick X3 Turbo. This intake kit provides dyno proven horsepower and torque gains, and an increased high-flow, reusable air filter. Get more power and better performance in your Can-Am Maverick X3 Turbo for only $306.08. This intake kit is designed to reduce temperatures and maximize airflow to improve performance. The kit further includes reinforced silicone hoses and heavy-duty stainless steel clamps for a secure, perfect fit. Designed with longevity and durability in mind, it is engineered to provide years of reliable service. Say goodbye to restrictive factory intake systems and experience enhanced power and performance with the Agency Power Cold Air Intake Kit for the Can-Am Maverick X3 Turbo. Get your now for only $306.08 and enjoy superior torque and performance. RPM Can-Am X3 Stainless OEM Replicated Blued Tip in just $52.95. This RPM Can-Am X3 Stainless OEM Replicated Blued Tip is a great addition to any motorsports enthusiast's vehicle. This exhaust tip is designed to fit your RPM SXS vehicle perfectly, making it an ideal replacement for your current exhaust tip. Constructed from durable stainless steel, this exhaust tip is sure to last through any and all conditions. A beautiful blue finish adds an extra touch of style to your vehicle. All this at an unbeatable price of just $52.95. GGB Exhaust 2017 to 2023 Can-Am Maverick X3 Turbo, Max X3 Turbo Stainless Steel Muffler in just $699.99. This GGB Exhaust 2017 to 2023 Can-Am Maverick X3 Turbo, Max X3 Turbo Stainless Steel Muffler is perfect for your Maverick X3. Featuring a stainless steel construction and a price of $699.99. This top-notch muffler is designed to fit models RXMR, Turbo STD, XDS-DPS, XRS-DPS, XMR, XRC, RXRC, XRS-DPS with smart lock, and more. Enjoy better performance and increased durability with the GGB Exhaust 2017 to 2023 Can-Am Maverick X3 Turbo, Max X3 Turbo Stainless Steel Muffler. For Can-Am Maverick X3 2018-2021, Maverick X3 Max 2018 to 2021, Maverick X3 Max RR 2020-2021 motorcycle exhaust muffler mid-link pipe in just $282.23. Introducing the for Can-Am Maverick X3 2018-2021, Maverick X3 Max 2018 to 2021, Maverick X3 Max RR 2020-2021 motorcycle exhaust muffler mid-link pipe at just $282.23. This slip-on exhaust is designed and made by our performance department using tough 304 grade stainless steel, and comes with features such as improved throttle response, power delivery, and sound. It is also extremely lightweight and has a sport exhaust note. Additionally, it lowers the heat radiating from the exhaust components and reuses the factory heat shields, exhaust tip, and spark arrestor. Connects to the OEM or aftermarket mufflers. Get yours now.